9 o'clock, just north of Niagara Falls. That dark blue indicates very heavy snowfall rates, even before it's tapping the full breadth of Lake Erie. And then as the night goes along, starting to get into the densely populated Buffalo and North towns. 2 to 4 inches. We're not getting any thunder snow, but it's coming down as if we were. And then along the Lake Erie shoreline, if the thruway were open, all heck would be breaking loose in any case. Here's that band, and it's into Silver Creek, Lake Erie Beach in Erie County, Brockton, and this band will continue to stay in these general locations for a couple of hours. Let's take a look at the newest run of the Rapid Precision model, which has really
Boulevard to Ream. Broadway is closed from Dick to Brunswick. Walden is closed from Central Avenue to Dick Road. Also, Route 20 is closed to commercial traffic from Silver Creek to Irving.
So this is our great November of 2014 blizzard in South Buffalo. We already have about 4 feet on the ground, and it's predicted to go 60 inches at least. It's been snowing for about 2 days, about 5 inches an hour. Hey, I've got internet, I've got food, I've got water, I've got heat. I should have such first world problems to be concerned about it, but I can't get to my car. I could barely get out the door. I just got out a few minutes ago, and I can touch my roof pretty easily. So it's crazy. There's some trees coming down. There's a lot more snow to come. This is the giant lake effect snowstorm coming in off Lake Erie over Buffalo. You see that cold air above sucking the warm water below up into the clouds, creating these huge storms that come roaring in over the lake, over the land, and about a mile inland drop lots of snow on places like my house. This is about a 48-hour time lapse showing the lake effect storm coming in from over Lake Erie and across the end, which is Buffalo, South Buffalo just to the right and down a bit. This was a long couple of days. Winter storm has turned deadly in Erie County. That's where it comes from. Well, it's November 19th. I'm in South Buffalo, New York. There's a flock of geese flying over up there. We've had a lot of snow. We've had about 5 feet. Plow did come through last night, sort of. This is my car. This is my street. In South Buffalo, New York, after the first part of this great lake effect snowstorm hit us with almost 60 inches of snow with a lot more to come. The front has moved to the north. It'll be moving back into this area in about 2 hours. We're expecting another 2 feet for a total of about 100 inches of snow in 4 days, which is generally what Buffalo gets for an entire winter. I don't know how long before I'll be able to get to that car, but I've got food, I've got heat, I've got power, I've got water, I've got medicine, so we can last a few days as long as the power stays on.
Remain shut down in both directions. Route 5 from Route 179, which is Mile Strip Road, Boulevard to Ream. Broadway is closed from Dick to Brunswick. Walden is closed from Central Avenue to Dick Road. Also, Route 20 is closed to commercial traffic from Silver Creek to Irving.
And this is an updated list on the travel bans all around western New York. The Village of Lancaster travel ban was set to expire, but instead it's now been extended. You know why? That snow ban is oscillating and shifting its course. There's now also a travel ban in the Village of North Town. There's also a travel ban in the Lancaster, County Road, the Village of Park, the Village of Camber, and the Veterans, the City of Lancaster.
Food or something. Just snow? Oh.
All right, I'm gonna make my move.
That was the governor. So I'm at the intersection of Abbott and Casnovia Mercy Hospital, which has been pretty inaccessible throughout the storm. A lot of work going on here to get it cleaned up. And if you can get to here, you can get to there, but getting to here is the problem. There are a lot of plows and high lifts that are cleaning out Abbott Road, and I suspect now that people can get here in an emergency, and it's just going to get better as long as this band of clouds doesn't continue to dump snow on us. There's my phone. Somebody's worried about me. I better get it. Well, it's day 5 of this snowstorm. I'm on a bridge over Cass Creek in South Buffalo at the corner of Casnovia Street and South Legion Drive. The sun is out, blue skies, it's a beautiful day. As you can see, there's a lot of people out here that are working to get South Buffalo dug out, and it is a lot of work. People are trying to uncover their cars. There is some traffic moving. People are walking in the streets, getting to meet their neighbors, helping each other. It's really a beautiful day, and we feel like we're almost through it. Who knows what tomorrow brings, but we think now there will be a tomorrow. the intersection of Casanova and Seneca Street. National Guard's here. I've seen trucks from all over the state, Syracuse, Onondaga County, downstate, Long Island, all the electrical vehicles from around the state, around the country, even from Vermont. A lot of snow to be removed, a lot of work to be done. Glad the National Guard is here, and it makes it real. From South Buffalo, in Buffalo, New York, on the beautiful shores of Lake Erie, I'm Jay Burney.